This 41st week of 2012 comes to a close with investors analyzing earnings from several large banks. I am Kristin Bianco and welcome to the weekly market wrap for Friday, October 12th, 2012. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, the Nasdaq, and the S&P 500 were all lower for the week. Crude oil futures are higher this week, trading at around $91.45 per barrel on Friday afternoon. Gold futures are lower, trading at $1,753.88 an ounce in this afternoon's trading. In notable economic news this week, the Thomson Reuters University of Michigan preliminary October Consumer Sentiment Index increased. The gauge was estimated to fall to 78, but instead rose to 83.1. That's up from 78.3 last month. In corporate news, Destination Maternity announced on Tuesday that fourth quarter revenue fell, though the results still beat estimates. The company also said quarterly earnings will beat estimates as well. Revenue fell by less than 1% to $128.5 million, while the company predicted revenue in the range of $125.5 million to $130 million. Analysts had expected about $128.5 million. Costco Wholesale reported that profit increased by 27% during the fourth quarter due to increasing sales and higher membership fees. The company earned $609 million or $1.39 per share during the quarter. That's compared to $478 million or $1.08 per share in the same period of last year. Sales increased by 14% to $31.52 billion, while same-store sales were up 5% and revenue from membership fees increased by 18%. Yum Brands announced that earnings in the third quarter beat estimates and increased by about 23%. Net income during the quarter increased to $471 million or $1 per share. That's compared to $383 million or 80 cents per share in the same period of last year. Revenue increased to $3.57 billion. That's up from $3.27 billion in the same period last year. Analysts estimated that the company would earn 97 cents per share on revenue of $3.64 billion. Safeway announced that net income increased by 21% in the third quarter. That was boosted by the sale of its Gennardi's stores. The company earned $157 million or 66 cents per share compared to $130.2 million or 38 cents per share in the same period last year. Excluding operations that are discontinued, the company earned 45 cents per share, beating the 43 cents that analysts had expected. Fastenal reported that it earned $109.3 million or 37 cents per share compared to $96.8 million or 33 cents per share in the same period of last year. That represents an increase of 12.9%. Revenue increased by 10.4% to $802.6 million. That's compared to over the same quarter of last year. Analysts had expected earnings of 38 cents per share on revenue of $807.6 million. This is the weekly market wrap for Friday, October 12th, 2012. Please join us on Monday for the week ahead market report. I'm Kristin Bianco for PassFail.com, taking you behind the ticker.